We don't have a video for you this week. We're taking a break at Drone and Phone, but we want to wish you a very happy new year. We're going to go over to our correspondents, none of whom are with me today. Let's start off with Jack, who's up a mountain somewhere.
Good day, dear Drone Phone audience. This is Jack. I'm on a ski trip in Japan now. Passing 2022 was great. Had lots of activities. One of my highlights was doing the Islands Trail in Hong Kong, and following that, we spent a few months in Europe for the summer. Went to UTMB. You should be able to see our video where we interviewed the founder of UTMB. Then I went to the Tour de Géant. It's one of my favorite races in Europe. For 6 days, a Chinese girl did incredible 330 kilometers. By the end of the year, I was in Thailand filming Doi in Sanong by UTMB. Also a very impressive race. The first race video interviewed a Chinese trail runner guru. It's out already. I'm making another one with the champion Zhao Jiaju, which is coming in the next 3-4 weeks. Anyway, it was a very nice year. Good to have all of you with us. We'll see you next year.
Now, if you've been watching our latest episodes, you'll know our two young adventurers, Alyssa and Austin, or Pizza as he likes to call himself. They want to send a message too. Let's go to their home.
Hi, I'm Alyssa and I'm Austin. We would like to explain how fun has been our 2022 year, doing our summer adventures and our Drone and Phone kids walks. We would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next year. Goodbye.
And finally, Rob, our biking expert who is in an undisclosed location, has this message.
Hello Drone and Phone viewers, Robbie here. I'm stuck indoors at the moment. I'm recovering from a bout of COVID, but you know, hey, it was a great opportunity to get the bike on the bike stand and prepare the bike for the 2023 biking season, which is just around the corner. Now, looking back over 2022, it was good to see that Drone and Phone didn't neglect the biking scene, and I was rather pleased to have been responsible for producing the Hong Kong's 10 Best Bike Rides series with DJ. And not only that, on the back of that series I've produced and written a book. It's based on those 10 rides, and it includes maps, links to watch the videos of each ride, directions on the routes, and a stunning collection of photographs taken by DJ and myself as we rode those routes. Now, it's due to be in the shops any day now, and it's going to be a great addition to the Drone and Phone book collection. Well, before I go, if you've got any suggestions as to the kind of biking activities you'd like us to cover in 2023, you know, those sort of rides that will be accessible to just about any of our Drone and Phone viewers, then do drop us a line with your suggestions and we'll look into it. Well, it only remains for me to wish you a very happy, prosperous, active and adventurous 2023. My bike's calling me. I better go. Cheerio!
Well, that's it, and from me, I'm wishing you a very happy new year. We have lots more planned coming up. If you have not discovered our books yet, then we have now 3 books out. The Hong Kong 180, a series of panoramas around Hong Kong, Hong Kong's 10 best bikes, and of course our latest book, Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides. You'll find those on our website at droneandphone.com, which we have relaunched. And we are working very hard to make it better, easier to follow, as I know some of you have been asking for it. Lots more planned for the coming year. There'll be trips around Asia now we can travel again, and of course into the Chinese mainland. But for now, Happy New Year from all the Drone and Phone family.